Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Right, back at the old Vogue. I got a motorbike taxi then with my suitcases, well, with my backpack and my thing, no helmet. It was alright, it was pretty safe, but I said to him, no police, no police, and he just said okay, okay, and cut down all the little side sides quicker. It's a bit rush hour now, it's rush hour, so we've got here pretty quick. Right, I'll wait for them to come and I'll open the safe. So tiresome. They're all the same, I don't know why they do it. Right, I'm back in the Vogue. I'm in a superior room. It's a little bit bigger than last time. That's the safe that I'm waiting for him to come and open. Tea and coffee making facilities. Standard fridge. Work area. I can sit with my laptop. Flat screen TV. PowerPoints. It'd be better if there's a PowerPoint above that work area. Got a chair, a couple of table lamps. The room's slightly bigger. Nice and cool already with put the aircon on. Sink. Your toilet obviously. Towels up there. And you've got your shower there. And a curtain that you can remove if you want to watch somebody else having a shower. The glass is frosted, so pointless. Now then, where are we? I've got my fanny pack intact. I know that annoys a few people when I say that, but never mind. And I'm going to meet the Rab for breakfast on his final day in Pattaya. I don't know what we're going to do today. He might have plans because, as you've probably found out now, I've returned to Pattaya for my final stint of my holiday instead of going to Hua Hin. So I told him, if you made plans, whatever you're going to do, don't let me interfere, you carry on what we're doing. But he's going to get breakfast. He might be going on a date tonight. I don't know. I'll find out at breakfast time. But I can meander around aimlessly around the soys at my own leisure. We had a few beers last night. Didn't get in till 2:30. I met a nice girl, playing pool with her. She put all the talcum powder on her face. It was that far from getting her. I've got all line details, and the reason I never is because City were on against Brighton, and it's just me. I can't help it. They come first. I like to watch them. I know she could have come and sat and watched it with me, and you know, I know that. I've done it before in the past. But as you get a bit older, you get a little bit more, I just want to do my own thing. So I might go back and meet her. She's from Alaibar. Nice girl. She was alright. I had to get in the pool with her and bought her a drink and whatever. So it's an option for when I'm alone over the next few days. Also, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to book myself into a posh hotel for my final 2 nights. I'm going to treat myself. So I'll do that later on. I made a vlog about the hotel. It's nice, so I think I'm going to do that just as a bit of a treat. Anyway, Owen, you're going on again, son. Let's go and get some breakfast when this is uploaded. Forever, always pressing buttons on that thing. Now then, where are we? Back in Pattaya, and I'm with the Rab. It's his last full day today in Pattaya and he's going home tomorrow. So we're just having a bit of a wander around. I don't know what we're going to do today. But he's enjoyed himself here. So I'm asking if he wants to say a few words about his experiences. There he is, the old Rab.
Well, good afternoon. Obviously this is my last day today. Fly back home tomorrow, back to reality. Everything that I've done here has been fantastic. Value for money, lovely weather, lovely people. I will certainly be back. It depends whether, I don't know how long it'll be before I'm back, but it depends on my job and everything else at home, whether I can stick it for any longer. But definitely I will be back.
Yeah. Would you, if you could, like to come for a month? Or do you think it'd be a bit too long?
A bit too long for me.
With the weather, it's hot and
yeah,
it's been hot.
Very, very hot. I've only had one day where it's really got to me, where I've had to go back to the hotel and just have air conditioner and just drink water up for 24 hours. But other than that, then I bounce back.
Yeah. So, overall, your opinion of the Thai people that you've met?
I haven't met a bad one.
Yes, right.
No, I haven't been, nobody's been bad-mannered. They've all had smiles on their faces, whether you're coming or whether you're going. So, yeah.
Was that a cryptic clue then?
That was a cryptic clue.
So yeah, he's enjoyed it. So I think he'll be back sometime.
Yeah.
Could be Pattaya, could be somewhere else, but
definitely.
Yeah, I've enjoyed myself walking around with him and having a few nights out. So when he's gone tomorrow, I'll just mosey on myself, be alright getting around, meet a few other people. So it's been a pleasure to spend some time with him. He's been alright.
The eyes of Owen, don't forget it, the eyes of Owen rule.
Over and out. Now then, where are we? We are sat on the intersection of Soi Lenki, Soi Diana, Soi Bukau. Intersection in Thai is Siek, and me and the Rab, we're on the big beers. Big beers, and it's a good price. What is it for 2 beers, Rab? About 70?
Yeah, 70 for 2 beers.
Not little uns, big uns. So I'm on the Leo and the Rab's on the old Chang.
I'm on the old Chang.
So what we're doing, we've been chatting, putting the world to rights about everything in the world, how crap it is in the UK, things over here and all that. You know what it's like when you're talking. But we're thinking, going for a massage. Maybe have another one, maybe go somewhere, we don't know yet. But that's what our inkling is this afternoon. Finish off with a nice massage. So
went for a massage the other day. How close could you be with a pair of hands all over your body? And she's just like making you melt, as if to say, my word. And then she turns you over and she goes, oh no! So close to the bone. And yes, it was worth every penny. It was worth every penny.
But you couldn't do that in England.
No,
not in Wetherspoons.
No, not in Wetherspoons, and I think there'd be a lot of face slapping if it.
I'm having a beer at Patsy Bar opposite Suitors Court. I've just been for a massage and the Rab had a pedicure and then a massage. So I've got to wait for him, then we're going to get some food before going back, getting changed and going out tonight. I had a massage in the massage shop opposite the Hua Hotel. Met a really nice girl there. She's got a day off tomorrow, so I think I'm going to try and take her out. She's pretty. Take her I don't know, for some food, go to the movies, and she said she'll come back to my room for a massage. So hopefully that all depends on how drunk I get tonight. So, you know what it's like in Pattaya? It's a vicious circle of beer, fun, but along the line somewhere, something gives. Hopefully, she's one of the best girls I've met on this trip, really friendly, really petite and pretty. Said she was 38, but to me, I would say she looks about 25, 26 in UK terms, but she probably is 38. So hopefully, I can meet up with her tomorrow and take her out. So I've got 4 more nights in my hotel in Pattaya, and then I'm going to move to a special hotel for 2 nights. I'm going to treat myself. I haven't gone the top room or the second top, I've gone the 3rd top, but I've splashed out. Nice room, I'll show you it. Got a bath, really new. So I'm gonna enjoy myself there. The Rob said to me, why didn't you go the whole log and go for the top-notch one? But it was double what I'd paid. I thought no. Owen and his money are not easily parted. I can't believe they paid this much. It's only 1,600, but it was a promotion. I think it was 600 knocked off. It should have been 2-2. So here we are in Patsy's bar. And the rub-a-dab-dab is talking.
We were talking, yes?
Yes, and this lady has told me, again, my shoulder is called...
Lai.
And?
Malabum.
Lai Malabum.
Lai Rabum.
Rabum.
ใช่
Not Malabum.
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 คือไหลนี่คือเป็น
Take it easy.
Malabum. Malabum.
Malabum is my new favourite Thai word. Malabum. Here's old Rub-a-dab, blinking at 4. He's lost again. Malabum.
Why you won't make me?